Dude, what are you excited for today for the fair? What do you want to see?
I want to see animals.
Yeah? What kind of animals?
Fish. Any kind of animal.
Okay. Rock and roll, dude. DNR plan?
Yep.
Go get up. See you, man.
Hey, stay look this way. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Hey, you in the sunglasses! Have a great day! Everybody else, have a equally great day!
Hi, we went to the Valley Fair. I hope you like it there, friends. It's so much fun. Woo!